Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to do screen mirroring from your phone Samsung Galaxy A54 with any Android TV. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Then tap on connections and now tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. Now turn on this button, mobile hotspot. Okay. Now, if you would like to set a password for your hotspot, click over mobile hotspot and you will see password option here. Just click on password option and you can set your password of your choice from the security option here. Okay. Here you have to select WPA2 personal and set your password of your choice with minimum 8 characters. Okay. Characters may be only letters or numbers or combination of letters and numbers, but it should be minimum 8 characters. Okay. After setting up your password, go to home screen and go to your TV. Okay. Go to your TV and select settings. Search settings in your TV and go there. Okay. I find it here. Okay. And now click on additional setting if it is anything. Okay. Suppose if Wi-Fi option is available here itself, you can choose. Okay. In my case, it is going further additional settings. Okay. Now click on network and internet. Okay. And turn on Wi-Fi option here available here, and yes, I have turned on this button, and signal that I have created, that is mobile hotspot signal, will be receiving to your TV. Yes, it is showing here. Just click on that signal. Okay. And your TV will be connected to your phone through hotspot, mobile hotspot. Okay. So you have made a connection from your phone to your TV through mobile hotspot. That is your TV and your mobile is in connection in your mobile hotspot. Okay, understand that. Okay, now come to your phone. And go to Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store and search Google Home. Okay, search Google Home. Okay, and install this Google Home app. Okay, just wait for downloading and installing. It will take few seconds only. Because it is 27.38 MB data only. Okay. Yes, it is being installed now in my phone. If it is taking longer time, you should have enough data. Okay, in your mobile. Okay, make sure that. Now open Google Home app and go further. Here, click on Get Started and click on Next. Give permission. Click here any email ID. If you have multiple email ID, they will be displaying here. Choose anyone and click on OK. Now you have to allow nearby devices if it is needed. Click on Next and give allow. Okay. Give location access to. Click on Next and give permission. Now this is very important step. Don't skip here. Okay. Just to turn on Wi-Fi. It is asking you to turn on Wi-Fi, but don't do it because in your mobile already you have created mobile hotspot. So you can either use at a time in your mobile Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Okay, already you have created mobile hotspot. So if you turn on Wi-Fi, what will happen? Mobile hotspot will be turned off automatically, or your phone will ask you to turn off mobile hotspot. Then only Wi-Fi will be enabled. Okay, let me check. Click on activate, and it is asking you to turn on Wi-Fi. If you turn on Wi-Fi, what will happen? It's not turned on. Okay, because wow, in my case, it's okay. Wow, it's okay. Both. Wow, see here, mobile hotspot is disconnected. Okay, so don't do it. Okay, make mobile hotspot. Okay, don't do it. Just you can skip that step. Okay, skip it and then again open. Okay, to skip what you have to do is close the app. Okay, close the app and then again open Google Home app, and now click on devices and you will find TV signal here, that is Android TV. Just click on it and click on cast my screen and click on cast screen and click on start now. Now your phone screen will be mirrored to TV. See in the TV. What is displaying in my mobile screen, that is also displaying in my TV. If you would like to adjust the volume, what you have to do is you have to move this point in clockwise direction to increase volume, in anti-clockwise direction to decrease volume. Okay, now I go to the home screen and I go to the app bay. I open calculator. Okay, so calculator is also opened in my TV. Okay, so what are all the tasks you are doing in your mobile screen that will be seen in your TV. So if you would like to play a song in your TV, you can play it through your mobile. Okay, here if you play, that will be displaying in your TV. Okay, so here I am going to play one video from YouTube. Okay, so I go to YouTube, I open YouTube and I am going to play from my channel. Okay, this is my channel, Village Sports. This is also our channel, Village Sports. If you are interested in sports, subscribe to this channel. Okay, see, I am playing a cricket video here. See, volume. Okay, volume is playing in my TV. Okay, listen. Wow. So in this way, you can easily do screen mirroring from your phone, Samsung Galaxy A54 with any Android TV. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.